Right now I'm cooking my ackee and saltfish in Africa. But I don't know eat no Jamaican food, so yeah. Go back to my roots, you know. It's the saltfish and codfish hook up. Then now me can ackee, get that ready. Drop it in the pot in a minute while it's going to cook down. And have some fried dumplings. Cooking on them traditional sufuria pot. I'll show you a look later. I get my time, so I'll just throw some in it, you know? Put some thyme. Not opener, so I have to use the knife to cut this thing open. Then pour out the water. Add the brine. Sack in the can. There you go, ackee. That's small, but might use a bigger pot. Cook down in the meantime. My bones from the saltfish, you know. When it's cooked down and be ready to eat. Our first Jamaican breakfast in Kenya. Normally I don't have breakfast. I will go to the restaurant and eat, but today, we for some yard food. Sprinkle some black pepper on it. Let it go on bubble. Show some scotch bonnet pepper right now. Get the icing on the cake. Ackee and saltfish, good to go.